Welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make this dashboard in Tableau. We're going to use Tableau Public. We're going to analyze data. The data I'll attach it in the data set in the description. You'll learn how to format based on color so that our highest is green and our lowest is red at a glance with real data. Let's get started. So if you don't have, go to this site, tableau.com, products, public, download. Then you fill in these details, your country, then download the app. Follow instruction, it's quite simple, then it will appear as this one. Now once you're done, we are now ready to start our data. So this is what you're going to do today. You're going to do sales performance and trends. What is the total sales revenue across different regions? Which month had the highest total sales? What is the average order value across all transactions? Customer insight. Which customer made the highest purchase? Total sales. How does sales performance vary among different segments? What is the most popular product? We also do profitability analysis. Which product category has the highest profit margin? Are there specific regions where profit margins are consistently higher or lower? Which product had the highest total profit? We also do inventory and product performance. What is the best-selling product in each category? Which product category contributes the most revenue, and how does unit price impact total sales and profit? So this is what you're going to do. It's a real world scenario, and I'll provide you with the data set. Now once you come, if you're new here, it will be blank. So you come to this side, is where you load your data. So today we are using an Excel file. You'll go to Microsoft Excel. I need the sales data, Tableau. Then you say load. So this is our data here. Initially I had cleaned my data, but we can still check it here and ensure that it is in the right format. If it's numbers, if it's text, it's in the right format. So this is how your Tableau looks like. It says sheet 1 sales data. So this is our sheet 1. You can see there is data sheets. You can add things. You can add new dashboard, a new story. So this is our overall data. Let us so order ID. ABC means text, so it's okay. Our date, I don't want. Let's see. Date should be in date. So let's date. We don't have time, so just select date. Ensure you do that. So next we go to customer name is in text, it's okay. Region is in text. Product category text. Product name text. Quantity sold is number. When you see this thing, it means it's in number. You see, it's number whole. It brings the hash symbol. So that one is okay. Let us see. Unit price is in numbers. Yes, it's a number. You don't see currency here, so we can work on that. Profit margin also number. Then the profit is in number. Now I think we are done with that. We need to, you see, if you click here, still the same. So let's say I've clicked in this sheet. Now when you click here is when you can see the table, everything. You have these icons, new data source, new worksheet. You can explore all that. So we are going right away. So this is what we're going to analyze. It's on the left side. We have color, We have size to size your chart, or then this is text detail tooltip. So we'll be using this, and I'll show you where we are going to use them. So to select a chart, we'll here or this place, show me on my right. Can you see here? I realize these ones will be active once you put your data. It will try to show you what you can use for that data. So there are quite a number. Now let's go back to our question. So first question, what is the total sales revenue across different regions? So total sales revenue across different regions. So you've studied your data, you have customer ID number, product category, region, measures profit, quantity, unit. Okay. So we need to find what is the total revenue across different regions. So total revenue we need, you see you drag here and across different region. I need regions, okay. And then here you say text label. Then here you text. And then this is how we choose here. So we have total sums and total region. At the same time, there is this option here. You see, this is how you can explore. So I put it here first so I can change the values to be in text, because it shows this at first. So this is how it appears. The chart comes automatically, or you can select here depending on what you believe is great. So we need total sales across regions. So it shows you what the ideal chart we can use here. So you can stick with this one, or you can stick with this one. So let's say we use the chart. Now I have my chart. Let me click here. I need that space. Once you have this chart, you can see on top here we have fit. I want you to see the difference. Entire view. You see the difference. Standard. So it depends with what you want to do. Okay, let's say entire view. Then I want to order based on the maximum to start. You come here. You see? See the difference? Okay, now you can see. So total sales across regions. Okay, now we can have, you can color this. So if you want to say color the regions, or based on total sales, you pick one. Let's say I want to take this. Then here I select color. You see, I've dragged it to color. And then on your rightmost, you see this color. So I want to change it, the highest to show green and the lowest to be in red. Let us see what we have. This one you say edit color of, yeah, edit color. You can also do format, so the legends. You can do title, edit title the way you want. So let's say here we edit color. Now I want so I've said I want green to be for highest and red to be least. So I want red and green. Let's see this red green diverging. Okay, so red is least, green is the highest. Good. So you say apply. Yes, that's it. And then here you can expand here so it is clear. You see this arrow? Come, double, you drag it a little bit so that this region is clear. Now I want to rename my sheet 1. It was total sales revenue across different regions. Go back. Sheet 1, I've double clicked that one. So I want to say total sales revenue across different regions. Let's say is, I want to tell a story with my data, so I want my title to be telling a story. Say okay. So that is sheet 1. I also like to name okay, my sheet here below the same. Okay, so we are done with the first one. Next you add, so what I realized is different from Power BI. You have to create new sheet every time you want to do this. So let us go to the next. Create sheet 2. Now we repeat what we've just done. So I'll underline to show you done. Which month had the highest total sales? Which month had the highest total sales? So we need total sales and month. Okay, you can see here our date. Our date has not been ordered to months, so we need to ensure that we get month from this one. Okay, so what you do, right click, then you say create calculated field. Now here I want to say month. So I've said date name, month, date. So this one to give me the name of the month, then calculation is valid, so my formula is okay. Then you say apply. You can see we have it here, and then you say okay. Now let us see. So we have total sales and month. Then here you do this one and this one. Okay. Now our question was, which month had the highest total sales? So we have rows. They have the month. Okay, which month had the highest total sales? So meaning we need to order this to see which month has the highest total sales. You can see. So it is September. Then you can do that. Feet width, feet height, entire view. So it is up to you on that. So I need to color this. I like doing the color. So I want my month with the highest sales. Now I need the sales, maximum sales to be, so I do color. And then I come here on the right, we edit color, and then I select the one we used, red, green. Then I say okay. So my good month is September. Now I want to rename it. Okay, then you come back to Tableau. So here you say the month with the highest total sales is, now you see I'm telling a story. Yes, okay. So the month with the highest total sales is September. Good. Now remember, if you have a chart in mind, you can do this. This one it has selected automatic, but you are free to select whatever you want. Also here, it can show you possibilities of the charts you can select. So it depends with how you want to see your data. But at the moment, I see this one is good. Okay. You see, if you select it here, it's still the same. Only that it is on the lower side. And just notice, once you touch another chart, the settings you've made changes. Okay, so we have to do the same. So we order it, and then I need to do my cells. I need to put it in color. Yeah, it has picked my format. Good. Now we are done with that. So the name here, let's copy here, and sheet 2, we rename it. Okay, now next. Underline. What is the average order value across all transactions? What is the average order value? Okay, average order value. So let me copy this. Average order value across all. So we have profit margin, quantity sold, total sales, unit price. Okay, so you have total sales. Let's see here. Yeah, there is measure. So here total average order value. So I want to see the average here. And this one it's not showing because I've not selected text. Yeah, so it is this one. Average total sales. Then here I rename it. So the average order value across all transactions is okay. So the sizes you can enter view is up to you. See where it is going. So let me return it to. Wait, I don't want it there. Let's just go back to standard. I think that section is over. Let's go to the next one. Another sheet. So we are done with sales performance trends. Now we come here, customer insights. Which customer made the highest purchase? Which customer made the highest purchase in terms of total sales? So we need total sales. We need customer. Which customer made the highest? We need highest. So we need the name of the customer. So we have customer name. Remember, we need to this one in text, this one also in text, and then we can do sum of totals, then the customer name. Okay, then if you need a different chart, so which customer made the highest, you can also do a table. When you do a table here, I need this one to be in text. Okay. Oh, this is sum of total sales. Okay, let me bring another total sales here. Okay, so assume I want to clear, come here, clear sheet. Let's do it again. Which customer made the highest purchase? I need the customer name. Okay, this one I need the text. This one I need the text. Now I can do a table. I've selected here a table, and it has come to this. But I want to order. Let's remain with standard. I want to order this so that I see the highest, like this, and I want to maintain my colors. So for my colors, for my table color, it's here, total sales, edit colors, red, green. Okay, so at a glance, okay, I want to expand this. Good. So Ethan Hunter had the highest total sales. Now we rename here the customer who made the highest purchase is okay, so we're done. And also here Control Z, I need to copy this. So we are done with that one. How does sales performance vary among different customer segments? How does sales performance vary among different customer segments? So we need how does sales performance. So I need sales performance vary based on different customer segment. Different customer segments, maybe you can have this one. Okay. Text. And this is you can have that. So how does it vary among different customer segments? So you can see which customer segment has the highest total sales. Let us order. Okay. Then we need a color for the cells now. I need it in color. I like to maintain the color. If you choose this color to represent your lows and this to represent red, to represent high, continue with that. I like doing red and green because we used to red is danger and green is good, like the traffic lights. I need red and the last time I've been using red and green diverging, so let's stick to that. So different customer segment you can see. So how does, so say this is how sales performance vary among different customer segments. Okay. So Ethan Hunter is our very good customer. This is the customer every business desire. Okay. So good. Next. What is the most popular product based on sales volume? What is the most popular product based on sales volume? So it's based on sales volume, so that is total sales, most popular product. So we can have most popular product, we can have product name, we can have product category. Then here we do text. Here is text. Here do text. Then we can do what is the most popular product? Okay. Different, based on different category, you can see here. And I want to order it. So based on different, so I can see here books. Science book is the highest. In shoes, clothing, we have shoes. Yes. And then I like to order my color. So based on the sales. And I want to do color. Let's stick to our color. Red, green, diverging. Okay. Or let's say we add some gold. Change to red, green, gold, diverging. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, I think that one looks quite cute. I have the most popular product category based on sales volume is, so the most popular product category based on sales volume, most popular. See, I got it. Then I do next. So we're done with that part. Let's go to profitability analysis. Which product category has the highest profit margin? Which product category has the highest profit margin? So we need profit margin. I need a product category. Okay. Which product category has the highest profit margin? I think this one is good. Now I need to do, I wanted to show show labels. You see what I'm doing? I want to see it at a glance. So we show marks. See, I also want to show I want it to say clothing. You get what I'm trying to say? Okay, detail, let us see. Okay, let us see the product, which product category. I want it to say, let's say text. Good. And okay, let's say again product category. I want it to do label. Okay, where is it? Return it. Okay, let's find, I need a pie. Oh, that one, oh, okay, that one is in text now. I want the total sales. Let's say it in text. Yes, so I have both the product name, I have the sales. Now I need the size to be big. So we go to size, let's enlarge here. But now you see it's just here. I want it to go this side. So what? Let's see how we were doing it. Okay, let's see entire view how it is looking. Okay, so it worked with the entire view. So here we have the product category that has the product category that has the highest profit margin is say okay. You can see it. And so let's see if I can do the total sales in profit. Okay, but let's first, I want to see my colors. If it's let's say here, is it clickable? Edit format, this legend, edit hide card. Wait, this is edit sizes. And edit colors. Okay, from here normally before edit, let us order it. I want to order it first, then based on order it has shown me the first one is the highest, which is clothing, then followed by books. Now I want my colors to stick to our color, so we edit color. Now we said our green is our best sales, so clothing being our best sales, I've clicked here and selected, followed by books. Maybe we can do some slightly green, followed by this one. This one we can do this yellow, Suppose we can do this, and I want the last one to be red. Yeah, so the last one has to be red. I'm trying to diverge this one. Then you say okay. Yes, so I want to maintain. If you see green is good, if you see red is bad. So we have it. And okay, I was thinking we see if we can show percentage. So let's say we have total sales. We get it as text label. Oops, where has it gone? Have undo. Let's see, can we do a measure? Which percentile? Okay. No problem. Remove it. I think your question is done. Have we renamed our sheet? Not yet. So I copy. Come to our sheet. I do that. And I go to the next question. Are there specific regions where profit margins are consistently higher or lower? Are there specific regions? So they want us to compare regions and profit margins. So we need a profit margin. We need a region. Okay. So I need it in text. Now, are there which regions are specifically high or lower? So this one you can do various chart, bar, by, whichever you can still. So even that one is okay. Even a table. Okay. Okay, so it's here to explore. You see when it's highlighted, meaning it's good for that data. So here we want to find which are there specific regions where profit margin are consistently higher or lower. So higher or lower. So I want to add to do this. So consistently higher is Western region. Consistently lower is Southern region. Okay. The table is okay or whichever. Then I want to do color. Profit margin. I need it to be in color. And then I want to see my color. We edit. Red, green. Okay. We're done. So the specific regions where profit margins are consistently low. So the regions where profit margins are consistently higher or lower are okay. So we name here. Go to the next one. Which product had the highest total profit? Which product had the highest total profit? Which product has the highest total profit? So I need total profit. Which product? So I need the product name or the product. Which product on the product category? Okay. This one I want all them to be in text. I want to see the values to be in text. Okay. Now, which product has the highest? I want to see which product and which category. Now I still want to order it. So which product has the highest total profit? Which product? So I can see. Yeah, and then if you also assuming you don't want to see product category, you can just remove it. You see, if you want it, you can put it. That is how it goes. Let's see. Just need that. So which product has the highest profit margin? So it is shoes. Now, and the lowest to this one. I need to maintain my colors. So the highest profit. Oops, yeah. And then this one is the color. I need to edit color. Red, green, diverging. I think since it's long, let's try to add 3 colors. We put some gold, but I want to end with red. So we say red, green, gold, red. Red, green, gold, diverging. So this one. Yes. Which product has the highest total profit? You can see the product is shoes. So you see the product. With the highest total profit is okay. Say okay. And then let's see if we can do a label here. So I want to show profit. And then I do here as a text. Yes, you see. It has shown me the so shoes, it shows me the product, the profit. Okay. So like that. So this is not a good this last 3 I think. Now from here this one need to be reconsidered. Decision need to change here. Maybe the marketing strategy, the product does not meet client's need, or there is no good marketing for this. We are done with that section, so we paste it here. Oh, which I want to copy this title. Good, so let's go to underline. What is the best selling product category? What is the best selling product category? So the best selling, I think, is in terms of total sales with best selling product category, and also you can do the profit in terms of profit, or just the total sales and category. It's up to you, but the point will be home. Text. I want, you know why I want I like it showing me automatic chat, so you don't have to be thinking, to worry about where to put it in column or rows. But if you know, you can just do it. It's still okay. So which product had the highest profit margin? So we can use this. Okay, if we use let's see this. Okay, and then I order it. So I want to find which product had the highest profit margin. You can see now which product had the highest total profit. Okay, which product has the highest? No, what is the best selling product in each category? But I'm trying to look the best selling. Okay, the best selling is clothing. You can see we have a profit is nice, process is nice. Okay, so now I need to do colors. For colors, I need profit. Let's see the colors. Okay, so let's see. Edit. Red, green, diverging. Okay. So this is it. And we can want to expand this so that the name product category is clearly visible. It's yes, these are good. That's what I wanted. It's not yet. Then good. So you can see which product category is the best selling from here. Let's rename this sheet of ours. So the best selling product in each category is okay. So if you want, you can also indicate the value here at a glance. Let's see if it makes noise. You don't have to do it. Let's say put it as text. See, but I don't need it. It looks so noisy. Let's stick with the this one. Okay, so it is showing me product categories: clothing. The profit is that, and the total sales is that. Good. So this one looks like they're almost tying with the profit. Also, this one has more sales, electronics sold sales than this one, meaning the profit margin of electronics is higher than for sports product. Okay, now we are done with that name. Let's rename our sheet. Our sheet is here. Done. Let's go to the next one. Which product category contributes the most revenue? Which product category contributes the most revenue? So the most revenue is total sales, and which product category? Product category is here. Text. Okay. Then you can do a chart. Okay. Then we want to do labels. So which product category is the most? So we need this one. I don't need it in label. Okay. And also want the name. So product category. Okay, I want it to label. Then I need it to be entire view. Okay. Then still let's say this one. same size. Okay, I think you can see from there. So our question is, which product category contributes the most revenue? So let us order this one so that you can see it at a glance. And then let's do colors. It always starts from here going this way. So let's see our colors. Let's check our colors. Edit. So it's green, red, so it's okay. So clothing is good. Most revenue, so it's floating. This one, so we title, we name here. So it says product category that contributes the most revenue is clothing. Okay, I haven't copied this one, so we rename our sheet. Good. Let's underline this. And our last part is, how does unit price impact total sales and profit? So we need to see how does unit price. We have unit price impact total profit. How does unit price impact total profit and total sales and sales? And actually you can just do this. Okay, text. Let's see here. Okay, so how does unit price impact total profit and total sales? Directly from here you can see as the unit price increases, profit increases also, total sales. Okay, that was one way to do it. So you can also have here is the one that is active. Let's say in this one. I want to have to see where is unit price. Sales, but you know I need it as a graph. Let's see where we can get it. Okay, so I don't like how it appears. I seriously don't like it. So I need how the unit price. Okay, this is interesting. Where did it come from? So I need How does unit price? I need some affect. Let's say first we do sales. Some of sales. So it's text. Text, okay. Okay. And then we also see how does it affect the profit. Text. So we see how unit price affect profit. And here, then we order this. So how does unit price affect total profit and total? You see there is a linear relationship, okay? Unit price increases, so does profit, so does total sales. That is automatic. Let's say a line, you see the curve, a line is linear. So for this one, I think you can state like that. Then I will describe how does unit price. So this is how unit price impact total sales and profit. Good. Let's see here. So we have profit. I want unit price. Oops. What has just happened? I have a unit price. Yes, this way, okay. And if you want to see based on, let's say, based on each product category, there's a graph. So there is still a linear relationship. Okay. So how does this unit price affect profit and total sales? So as unit price increase, so does the profit up to a certain level. Okay. So that's it. You can do color. Let's say we vary it based on unit price. Color. Edit colors. Red, green, diverging. Okay, I think you can see some colors when it is lowest, when it's highest. Okay. So we're done with that. So we name our sheet. Copy. Good. Yes, we're done. Now I want us to do the dashboard. So you have sales performance and trends. Let's do our dashboard. So this one we have to create. This one we are doing this sheet now here. New dashboard. So our dashboard, I need it a good size. I've chosen automatic. Okay. So so I want to copy, duplicate this. So I'll using the format of this. Okay, now let's go to dashboard number 1. Now this is my dashboard. Sales performance and trends. Okay, and in sales performance we were doing total sales revenue across different regions, which month had the highest, and what is the average order value. So we have this one. We also have which month had the highest and the average order value. Okay, now so from here you can see if you select it, it highlights here. So this one I need it to be the same. Let's say we need to enter view, see how it appears. Good. This one I can remove it, I don't need it here. So this is our sales performance. Okay, now let's go to this one. I want to duplicate it, so I use this. So we now go to customer insights. Customer insight, we want which customer made the highest, how does sales performance vary, and what is the most popular category. So I want this one, and the most. Okay, now you can see for this one is drag and drop, and before you touch here you have an idea of what you're dragging, so you visually know how to arrange it. So this one I like it to be open, so so if you don't want it, you close or you clear everything from here. Okay, so we want to find the customer. This is the table at the most revenue, and okay, this one I want it to be yeah. And remember, people are reading from this side to this side. Okay, so let's put it this side, and then the most, I want it to be straight, linear. Okay, yes, that way. So if you want it to be entire view, you test and see how it appears. If you don't like that one, okay, so I don't need this one here. So if you need to resize, so this one needs a good space. Okay, also this one you can drag it, so that is up to you, because the table is, it just occupies a little space. Okay, now I think everything is clear. So the customer method is this how, so we're done the customer insights. and duplicate this. Now let's go to what is the next one to do. Profitability analysis. Which product are the highest? Are there specific regions? And which product are the highest total profit? So what's this one? The product at the highest product is pie chart. This is a table, and this one is a bar. Okay, so I can put it here. Then the region, can put it side by side, and this one I need to put it low down. Yes, something like that. I don't need this one here. Also this one I don't need it. So this one, let me drag it on the other side. There's a lot of white space. Good. This one I can pull it up a little. So we are done with the profit. I need to can rename it. Then I duplicate this. So we come to inventory and product performance. What is the best selling? Which contributes highest revenue, and how does unit price affect? Okay, so you rename it there. Then I come here. So this best selling product, which product contributes most revenue, and this is house. So you don't have to follow the method I use. You can start with any. You arrange how you want it to appear. Just put it down. Now this one I want it to be standard view because it's so big. Let's say fit. Okay, let's see how that works. Then how this is how is it showing you where to put. Okay. So if you still don't like the arrangement, you do this. So you have the best selling category, the product to the highest. Okay. Now I need it to be below. Okay, I want it to be below. Okay, and then this is how I need to be this side. You know, we are reading this way and this way and this way. Okay, we do a Z from left to right and left to right. So remove this side. I don't need this. I also don't need this. I also don't need this. And this one. Now for here I can add, let's say, entire view how it appears from that point. I think it looks nice. But for here I want it to be aligned. Let's say if we align it how it appears to make it look neat. So we are done with that part. Then what next? We are done with every section. Now, I think you've seen how we are doing our dashboard. So we have customer, so this is our dashboards from here. So we have the sales, performance trends, we have the customer insights, profitability, and inventory. Okay.